Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday. Check it out. I have a huge haul from Goose Creek Candle. This is the pumpkin collection. Thank you so much, Goose Creek, for sending these. I am so excited to dig in here, and I'm so excited for Lenny to also smell these when he gets back. I gotta say, I am on fall overload in such a good way, and Goose Creek has launched yet another collection since these came out. So I have 8 of the pumpkin candles, and we're gonna go through each of them. The jars are stunning. Look at this. This is full on beautiful fall. The first one is cinnamon pumpkin, country pumpkin, sweet cinnamon, and clove buds. This one's beautiful. This is your pure cinnamon clove. This is more of a late fall scent for me, and it's perfect. It could be a little bit Halloweenish, but it's definitely a nice, strong, spicy cinnamon clove. Next up, we have pumpkin sugar cookie. Look at this one. This one is pumpkin sugar, cookie dough, and buttercream frosting. Ooh, that smells really good. I'm getting that buttercream in here. But the pumpkin is actually fairly spicy. This is not a weak candle on cold. I'm getting a definite cookie note with that spiciness, so that's good. Okay, apple pumpkin. Check that out. Red wax. This one is juicy red apple, sunlit pumpkins, and warm woods. Oh, that smells so good. This is a beautiful summer day. You're at an apple orchard, and you're getting like a nice warmth from the sun, a little bit of the tree in there. This is a unique pumpkin apple. I like it. It's a little more tart. That's what it is. It's got a tartness to it. Okay, you ready? Warm pumpkin bread. Look at this one. Warm pumpkin bread. This one is pumpkin puree, warm loaf cake, and cinnamon spice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this smells like spicy pumpkin bread. Oh, so good. This one is strong. Okay, I love that one. That one's amazing. Pumpkin pie. There's your pumpkin pie. This one is pumpkin pie filling, autumn spices, and buttery baked crust. Oh yeah. It's nice because I get the pumpkin in the crust. There is no whipped cream on this one. It is pure pumpkin and crust. This kind of smells like it came out of the oven and it cooled off. But I'm definitely getting that crust note in there. So there's your pumpkin pie. Next up, we have vanilla pumpkin waffles. Check that one out. This one is pumpkin spice, vanilla waffles, and maple syrup. I'm so glad maple syrup, oh yeah, is being represented here. Oh my gosh. This smells good. I smell the waffle. It's not over syrupy though. I like that. Not over syrupy. And I'm getting like a little powdered sugar on there, and I get the maple. I really like that one. That one's amazing. The blue one, berry pumpkin streusel. Look at this one. This one is sweet blueberries, harvest pumpkin, and spiced streusel. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one is incredible. I love, these bakery ones. You know me. I'm like all about the bakery. But I love that they do a range that's like a little spicier and then a little less bakery, because a lot of people like kitchen spice. Oh, this is pure on beautiful blueberry with a spiciness to it that smells like a streusel. I don't think I've ever had a streusel. I might have before I went gluten-free. It smells good though. And then the final one is pumpkin pecan s'mores. Are you kidding me? Pumpkin spice, candied pecans, toasted marshmallow, and graham cracker. Ooh! Oh my gosh. You know what's interesting about this? I get the really strong, almost smells like pumpkin seeds. Candied pecans? Yeah, I'm getting a candy note in here. Like almost like a caramely note. Graham cracker, and then the marshmallow. This is strong though. These are good. Oh my gosh, I'm on pumpkin overload, you guys. I like them all. I like the pure on spiciness of cinnamon pumpkin. I like the blueberry and pumpkin is unique. I think the vanilla pecan waffles is one of my favorites. This definitely has the powdered sugar note I love. Pumpkin pie. I love a good pumpkin pie. I do. Actually, this one pie I'll actually eat. Pumpkin sugar cookie. This is a crunchier cookie rather than the waffles that are like waffly. Apple pumpkin. This one leans a little bit more towards being, it almost smells a little bit cranberry to me, but it's a little bit tartar. That one's good though. They're all good. They're all good. Oh my gosh. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Warm pumpkin bread. I love this one. Yeah, that's spicy. These smell very fall. I would say in general, this collection is going to be really good to take you into September, October when you were craving pumpkins. Oh my gosh. So, in addition to this collection, I was just on Goose Creek and they have another new collection. By the way, that camp collection that Lenny and I talked about is just a dream. They also have marshmallow candy apple, sea salt caramel praline, fall garland, brown sugar churros. This is autumn, cider and sweaters, crunchy leaves, caramel maple butter, fall festival. These are all incredible. Then they have the collection. I have another collection here, which includes the cinnamon spice vanilla. And don't forget that they have the new fragrance, which is toffee kettle corn. I need to review that one. It is absolutely amazing. And then they have this kind of summery jars, peaches and cream, strawberry jam pie, drizzled blondie, caramel drizzled blondie, and blueberry lemon bundt cake. So if you're not quite ready for fall, they have a really good selection. And it looks like they are doing $12.99 on a lot of their candles. Definitely check Goose Creek out. They're always doing, looks like they have $13.99, some are $12. They always have a good sale going on, so keep an eye on them. Thank you so much to Goose Creek for sending me these. I'm excited to share these with Lenny. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.